Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elsie, and in this video, let's break down this quiz code line by line, which I posted on my Instagram channel as Quiz 182. If you wanted to check other quiz programs, please do check out my YouTube shorts where I also posted step by step explanation. So let's get started. First, guess the output of this code. Now, let's break down this code line by line to get x and y values. We have assigned x is equal to 5. Let's calculate the value of y. Plus x is a pre-increment operator. That means x value increments by one value first before it is used in the expression given. So x value changes from 5 to 6. Let's assign this value in the expression. Y is equal to 6 into 3, which is 18. X minus minus is a post-decrement operator. That means we first use the value of x in the expression and then decrement it by 1. So x value is currently 6. We use it in the expression. And remember, x value is now changed from 6 to 5 due to post decrement. Then minus minus x is a pre-decrement operator. That means x value decrements by one value first. So x value changes from 5 to 4. Let's calculate the values. 18 plus 6 minus 4, which is 20. So finally, y value is 20 and x value is 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.